Cadle, the date night chef. Today I want to show you how to make slushies with sangria punch. We're going to start with some red wine. A little bit of brandy. Some orange juice. We're going to use some frozen berries. And then just fill the blender the rest of the way up with ice. You always want to add ice at the end so that it doesn't seize up the blades of your blender. Let's just blend it on high for a couple of minutes. And it should be ready. I like to add just a fresh wedge of lime and lemon. Let's give it a taste. It's really, really good. Nice and cool and refreshing from the crushed ice. I'm Cadle, the date night chef. I hope you enjoy these slushies made from red sangria punch.